Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your Google My Business posts, Google Business Profile for optimal results. Watch this. Darren liked these little tricks. Like Darren liked when I like said, hey man, if you take this and you put it with that and watch what happens. Now watch this. Watch what happens. He liked those little things, and man, he was just such a great guy, man. I just wish that I hope my energy is coming across to you, where you get a sense of what type of great guy he was. Darren, I miss you, and I love you, brother. I'll never forget you. What's popping? What's popping? What's popping? What's popping? What's popping? What's popping? All right, guys, I hope everybody's doing well. We're going to get ready to rock it here. So let's go right over to your Google Business Profile. So what you do is you just type your brand name into Google, right? Make sure it's you're signed into your Google account with the email address you use to create your Google Business Profile. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hit this little down arrow. Right, hit this little down arrow here on the right-hand side. And you see where it says Add Update right here? We're just going to click that. And today, what we're going to work on is the first one where it says Add Update. That's what we're going to do today. What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? All right, guys. So look. We already clicked Add Update, right? So I'm going to show you a really neat trick. You're going to love this. So in this example, we are going to fill this section here with something that's written from ChatGPT. By this time, I'm sure everybody knows what ChatGPT is. It's an AI writer. If you don't, just please go to openai.com and sign up for your free account. It is a free service. I use the paid service, so I don't have any downtime in case there's a lot of congestion. Okay, so I asked ChatGPT, I said, please write 250 words on Graniteville, Staten Island as it relates to locksmiths. And please include several streets around 76 Jules Drive. That's where I grew up. I was born in Brooklyn. However, I moved to Staten Island when I was 4 years old. Actually, my parents dragged me there, so I wound up growing up in that place. So what ChatGPT wrote is that Graniteville is a residential neighborhood northwest of Staten Island, New York. The neighborhood is known for quiet streets and tree-lined avenues. Believe me, it's not quiet. And there are several locksmiths around 76 Jules Drive providing a local community. I'm not going to read the whole thing to you, but one of the closest locksmiths to 76 Jules Drive is All Locksmiths. They're located just a few blocks away from Richmond Avenue. So what this is doing is it's naming all the locksmiths and it's naming all the major streets. In fact, as we go down a little bit further, it also says that there's a Home Depot located off Richmond Avenue. So this is a fantastic article because it is writing everything about what I do and where I'm from. So I'm going to take this article and I'm going to paste it in ChatGPT around. Okay, so I'll just take the conclusion off. I don't need that. It was 1,500 characters. All right, and I'll say call now, and then on the next one, I'm going to show you what photo to use. This is going to drive you crazy. You're going to go crazy from this. Hey guys, I put a lot of effort into these videos because I really want you to succeed. I know if you're spending your time watching these videos, I don't want to waste your time. So if you could just please like and subscribe. This way, these videos go out to more people just like you who are trying to improve their business. Thanks a lot. All right, guys, so you can see I added 2 pictures, and you could add some more if you'd like. I added a picture of my actual house, which was 76 Jules Drive, and then I also added a picture of the map. So I took a map picture and from Google, and I screenshot that and I put it into my Google Business profile post. Now you may be saying to yourself, well, why? All right, he told us where he grew up, 76 Jules Drive, was entertaining, but why did he pick that address? The reason why I picked that address is because I first did a grid report on a keyword and saw I was not ranking at that address. So if you're interested in SEO and you're interested in ranking your website, you need a starting point, right? So when I was younger, I did bodybuilding, and every day I would look in the mirror and I would see if I needed more shoulders or more arms, or right. I had a starting point each day. You need to do the same thing with SEO. If you don't know where you're ranking, then you don't know how to improve your rankings. And the only way you could do that is using a grid, an SEO grid software. Now, a couple that I recommend, I don't have any affiliates. I don't make any money from this. When I do, I'll let you know. But right now, I haven't even signed up for it. But it's Local Falcon. So their plan is about it's just $24 a month. It's just $24 a month for a basic plan. Now, if you're doing your own SEO, or if you have an agency that doesn't provide these grid reports, you need to get an account. Now, you could get it through Local Falcon. You could get it through localdominator.co. That's one that one of my subs turned me on to, and I'm looking at that one. I really like this one as well. And then Local Viking. The good thing I like about Local Viking is that you could create these Google posts that I just did today, and you could schedule them out for the whole month. So you could do like 14, 15 posts, really as many as you want. You could do 30, I guess even more than 30 posts a month, and just do them one day, and it just drips them out each day, so you don't have to do them each day. But this one's $149 a month, but it also provides grids, right? So you have Local Falcon, which is the easiest one to use, Local Dominator, which is the new one that I'm just checking out, but Local Dominator is .co. I'll put everything in the description below. And then you have Local Viking that not only provides grids, but it also lets you schedule out your Google posts, so you don't have to do your Google posts every day. You do it one day, and then you just schedule it out for the entire month. So that could help. I just wanted to show you the post that I did, right? So this is the post that I did. You see, so that's 76 Jules Drive, and then this is all the text that was written by ChatGPT, right? And then I guess there's a picture's one of two. I guess there's another picture that's pending or something like that. Okay, so that's it. All right, guys, so I was thinking about this today. You don't build your business where you've been. You build your business where you're going. And if you're building your business where you're going, you need a strategy. And that's why I'm telling you about the grids. You need to have a plan and a strategy. So the lesson that I taught you today is a strategy, is that you're looking at the SEO grids, you're seeing where you're not ranking, you're picking an address in that area where you're not ranking, you're writing relevant content for that specific area, and we hope that within a week or two, that red circle starts to turn green. That means that you're ranking in that area, right? We don't build our business where we've been. We build our business where we're going. And you're going. All right? I promise you, you're going. You're going. Things are going to work out. All right? Be good to your family, even when things aren't working out right now, right? We know that they're not working out. But be good to your family, right? Be good to your wife. Be good to you. Don't take it out on your kids and be angry at them, all right? Don't be a crab, all right? Be nice, because when you're putting together a strategy now. Now I'm telling you, things are going to work out, right? Things are going to work out. So we'll catch you the next time. Thanks a lot, guys. If you need my help, reach out to me. All right.